What?
So say hi, Alan.
Hi, Alan.
Yeah? Red light.
I know, it's these Novi lights, man. They're backwards. It's like, what the hell?
You're backwards. Your face is backwards. His face is backwards.
Okay.
Car. That's a beastie car. What?
This is the stupidest light in all of Novi.
Stupidest light of all Novi. Check that light out. Check that light out. Stupidest light ever. Stupidest light ever.